Have you ever found yourself on a Wednesday night, tired after work, scrolling through a food delivery app for the third time that week? You tell yourself you'll order something healthy, but deep down you know it's just another excuse for not planning ahead. Don't worry, you're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, healthy eating often takes a back seat. But imagine this, opening your fridge on a Monday morning and seeing rows of colorful, perfectly portioned meals ready to go. Meals that fuel your energy, save you time, and help you stay consistent with your goals. That's the power of meal prep. Meal prepping, or preparing healthy meals in advance, is one of the most effective habits you can develop to improve your health, save money, and reduce stress. And the best part? Anyone can do it. You don't need to be a chef, have fancy kitchen tools, or spend your whole Sunday cooking. All you need is a plan, a few hours, and a bit of motivation. In this ultimate guide, you'll learn how to meal prep healthy lunches for the week. From planning and grocery shopping to cooking, storing, and keeping everything fresh and tasty. Why meal prep changes everything. Meal prep isn't just about food. It's about control, freedom, and self-care. When you plan your meals, you're not only saving time, you're saying I care about myself. Here's what meal prepping can do for you. Save money. Cooking at home costs a fraction of what eating out does. Reduce waste. You buy and cook exactly what you need. Improve nutrition. You control every ingredient and portion. Avoid temptation. With ready-to-go meals, you skip fast food traps. Meal prep isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle strategy. Once you start, you'll notice your energy, focus, and mood all improve. Plan with purpose. The secret to successful meal prep is planning ahead. Take 30 to 45 minutes once a week to plan your menu. Ask yourself, how many meals do I need for the week? What's my goal? Weight loss, muscle gain, or maintenance? How much time can I realistically spend cooking? Once you answer these, create a balanced menu that includes protein, chicken breast, fish, eggs, tofu, beans, chickpeas, carbohydrates, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, whole grain pasta, healthy fats, olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, vegetables, a variety of colors and textures. Variety is essential. The more colorful your plate, the more nutrients you get, and the more exciting your meals will be. Smart grocery shopping. Meal prep success begins at the supermarket. Never go shopping hungry or without a list. Here's a sample weekly shopping list for healthy meal prep. Proteins, chicken breast, tilapia, eggs, tuna, chickpeas, carbs, brown rice, quinoa, sweet potatoes, cassava, veggies, broccoli, carrots, zucchini, cauliflower, bell peppers, leafy greens, spinach, kale, lettuce, arugula, healthy fats, olive oil, almonds, chia seeds, seasonings, garlic, onion, turmeric, paprika, pepper, lemon, herbs. Shopping with intention helps you save money, avoid impulse buying, and ensure your fridge is full of nutritious ingredients instead of empty calories. The prep day routine. Sunday or your chosen day off becomes your meal prep day. This is where the magic happens. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Cook your proteins first. Grill the chicken, bake the fish, boil the eggs, prepare your carbs. Cook rice, roast sweet potatoes, boil quinoa, steam or roast your veggies. Keep them vibrant and crisp. Assemble your meals. Combine your ingredients into containers. Store properly, label with the date, refrigerate for 3 to 5 days, or freeze for longer. Meal prep doesn't have to take all day. You can prepare a full week's worth of meals in just 2 to 3 hours with practice. Flavor without guilt. Let's be honest, no one can eat plain chicken and rice forever. Healthy food should be delicious. Use natural seasonings to create different flavors: garlic, ginger, paprika, herbs, and citrus. For example, grilled chicken with lemon and rosemary, chicken curry with coconut milk, spicy chickpeas with paprika and lime. A few small tweaks turn a basic dish into a meal you'll look forward to. Remember, seasoning is your best friend. Skip heavy sauces and use fresh herbs or yogurt-based dressings instead. Portion control and mindful eating. Knowing what to eat is only half the equation. The other half is knowing how much. A simple visual guide. 1/4 of your container. Protein, P, carbs, 1/2. Vegetables. Avoid eating directly from containers when you're at home. Use a plate to help your brain register the portion size. And practice mindful eating. Eat slowly, avoid screens, and pay attention to flavors and fullness. This habit alone can change your relationship with food. Storage and freshness hacks. A common question: how long can I store meal preps without them going bad? Answer: with proper storage, up to 4 to 5 days in the fridge and 30 days in the freezer. Tips: use glass containers or BPA-free plastic. Let food cool before sealing. Label each meal with the date. Freeze meals you won't eat within 3 days. Keep dressings and salads separate until the day you'll eat them. Following these steps keeps your food tasting fresh and safe all week long. Meal prep for different goals. Weight loss, focus on fiber-rich foods and lean proteins. Avoid creamy sauces, fried food, and added sugar. Muscle gain, increase your protein and carb portions. Add healthy fats like avocado and nuts for extra calories. Maintenance, keep your meals balanced and flexible. Alternate between proteins and carb sources to avoid boredom. Sample healthy meal prep recipes. 1. Mediterranean chicken bowl, grilled chicken breast, plus quinoa plus chickpea salad with olive oil and lemon. 2. Asian-inspired chicken with ginger sauce plus brown rice plus steamed veggies. 3. Low-carb beef bowl, lean ground beef, plus cauliflower mash, plus sautéed broccoli. 4. Vegetarian power bowl chickpeas, plus roasted pumpkin plus spinach plus tahini dressing. 5. High-protein fish meal grilled tilapia plus sweet potato plus zucchini with lemon garlic drizzle. These recipes are simple, affordable, and full of flavor, the perfect foundation for your week. Tips to stay consistent: play music while you cook, make it fun, not a chore. Take photos of your meal prep progress, it's motivating. Always have backup snacks, ready nuts, boiled eggs, fruit. Remember your why: health, energy, confidence. Reward yourself for consistency, not perfection. Meal prep is a long-term habit. The more you do it, the easier and more enjoyable it becomes. The psychology behind meal prep: every meal you prepare is a small victory of discipline over chaos. When you meal prep, you reduce decision fatigue, the mental drain of constantly asking, "What should I eat?" It's also empowering. You're taking control of one of the most important parts of your life, your health. And over time, those small decisions accumulate into massive transformation. Consistency beats motivation. Your future self will thank you every time you open the fridge and see those meals waiting. Common mistakes and how to avoid them: cooking too much of the same thing gives add variety in seasonings and sides. Overcomplicating recipes gives keep it simple. Start with 3 to 4 main dishes. Not labeling containers gives always write the date and content. Forgetting snacks gives prep fruits, nuts, or veggie sticks. Skipping prep day gives schedule it like an important meeting, because it is. Learning to meal prep is like learning to ride a bike. Awkward at first, effortless later. Beyond the food, the ripple effect: meal prepping doesn't just transform your body, it transforms your life. It teaches discipline, organization, and self. When your meals are ready, your days run smoother. You save time for workouts, hobbies, and rest. You gain clarity, confidence, and consistency, and that bleeds into every area of life. People will notice your energy. You'll stop saying "I don't have time," because you'll realize time is created by planning. This isn't just about food, it's about freedom. Long-term sustainability. Don't aim for perfection, aim for progress. If you miss a prep day, don't give up. Just prepare a few meals instead of 7. Adapt your strategy to your schedule. If you travel, use hotel microwaves, or bring portable options like overnight oats, wraps, or protein bars. Meal prep isn't a rigid system, it's a flexible tool. Use it to make your life easier, not harder. Conclusion: your week starts on the plate. Meal prepping is more than cooking. It's a declaration: I choose to take care of myself. It's about regaining control in a world that constantly demands your time and attention. Every Sunday you spend prepping your food is a silent act of self-love, a promise that you'll nourish your body and mind, no matter what chaos the week brings. So grab those containers, put on your favorite playlist, and start today. Because the truth is simple: your transformation doesn't start tomorrow. It starts with your next meal.